What I'm going to do in this video is provide you with the 4 main piano phrases that I like to use for the warm-ups. These are good for male and female voices. You can just warm up with in your own way, at your own pace. These warm-ups are going to be in common patterns that I'm using in my other videos. So if this is the first video of mine that you stumble upon, I suggest that you look at my warm-ups playlist or my techniques playlist to learn more about how to do these warm-ups. But this is for somebody who really already knows what to do, but just wants to have the piano chords, the piano notes, so that they can sing along. My name is Kate. I've been studying, playing, singing for over 30 years. I'm a vocal coach who helps people to find and sing with their authentic voice. You can use mi, me, ma, mo, mu, ma, 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 ya, vu, any kind of combination of vowels or consonants that make you feel comfortable to sing. So the first one we're going to do is going to be on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 pattern. That's like do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. So again, you can do this on mi, me, ma, mo, mu, ma, 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 vu, 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 vu. Anything that feels good. For this one, we are going to start on A3 for women, A2 for men. So for men, you just sing these the octave down. You'll always hear your first note with my left hand, and I'm going to play the melody with my right hand, like so. So there we went up to E5 for women, E4 for men. This is what I like to do in the first series of warm-ups that I do with my own voice. I don't go up as high as I can go. I like to think about these warm-ups kind of like an accordion. You like gently open, come back to the middle, keep stretching. For the next one, this is an arpeggio with an octave. And so again, we're going to start on A, A2, A3, and we're going... I like to do this on ya personally. Ya. Here we go. back down to the A. So we went up there to the F5 or the F4, depending if you're male or female. And so again, we're just gently opening up the range as we go along. Now for all of these, make sure that you only sing within the range that you're comfortable. If at any moment you're doing these warm-ups and you feel strain or you feel fatigue, it's time to stop, pause, reassess your posture, reassess your breathing. And if you still can't get it, then just don't go that high. Go as high as you're comfortable. Or if you do feel comfortable going higher, but it's just not the day for it, pause the video and come back to it when you're better rested and better aligned. For this next one, they're going to be staccato exercises. We're going to start down on E3 for women, down in the chest voice. E2 for men. This might be low for you, especially for men. For females too, you might be comfortable on the next one. So jump in when you feel comfortable. Remember to allow the sound to really release and vibrate in the chest when you start. And imagine your resonance just coming up with you as you're coming up. Make sure that you keep supported throughout the whole thing. And as we ascend also, that you allow the jaw to drop, the tongue to be in position against the bottom teeth, and open everything up as we ascend. Ending there on the A3 or the A2. And here we went up to the G5 or the G4 for a man. Now for this last exercise, it's going to be on a pattern of 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 1. This is what I like to call the legato exercise, where you want to keep everything very connected. And again, you can choose whatever vowel feels comfortable for you. Whatever it may be. And here we're going to start on middle C for women, C4, and C3 for men. as I said, what I do is I start moving from the middle, above the passaggio towards the top, but not at your highest, then come back down, then move a little further, stretch a little higher up, then come back down, then come into the chest, and then come back into the middle of the head voice again instead of going to the absolute peak. So I hope that this worked well for you guys. Let me know in the comments below. If you're looking for your own personalized exercises, check out the vocal analysis. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.